In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on Mailchimp. Whether you're fine-tuning your latest email campaign or just prefer a broad overview of your dashboard, adjusting the zoom level on Mailchimp can enhance your user experience significantly. It's a simple process, and I'm here to walk you through every step so you can get the most out of your Mailchimp interface. First things first, let's begin by accessing your Mailchimp account. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Mailchimp login page. You'll be greeted with the option to log in to your existing account. If you're not automatically directed to the login page, simply search for login vertical bar Mailchimp in your browser or follow the provided link in the description below this video. Once you're on the login page, you'll need to identify yourself to Mailchimp. Click into the field labeled for your username or email and type in the appropriate information. Remember, your username might not necessarily be your email address, so ensure you're using the correct identifier that you set up when you created your account. Next up is the password. Find the password field, which is usually right below the username or email field. Type in your password carefully. If you happen to enter it incorrectly, don't worry. You can always clear it out and type it again. For those of you who might have forgotten your password, don't panic. There's usually a forgot password link near the login button. Mailchimp will guide you through the necessary steps to reset your password and get you back into your account promptly. Now that you've entered your login credentials, it's time to dive into your Mailchimp dashboard. Look for the login button, which should be prominently displayed. Click on it to proceed. If all your information is correct, you should find yourself looking at the main dashboard of your Mailchimp account momentarily. Here you are on the home vertical bar Mailchimp page. This is where the magic of managing your email campaigns happens. From here, you can access various features such as audience insights, campaign performance, and more. It's a control panel for all your email marketing activities. But let's focus on our primary goal today, zooming out. Adjusting the zoom level on your screen is incredibly straightforward. All you need is your keyboard and mouse. First, find the control button on your keyboard. You're going to use this in combination with your mouse to zoom in or out. Hold down the control button and don't let go. While holding the control button, use the scroll wheel on your mouse. If you scroll up, this will zoom in, making everything on your screen appear larger. Conversely, if you scroll down, this will zoom out, providing you with a wider view of the Mailchimp dashboard. This is especially useful if you want to see more of your campaign stats at a glance, or if you need to adjust the scale for better readability. This tip isn't just limited to Mailchimp. It works on most websites and applications. It's a universal shortcut that can vastly improve your experience across the web, especially for those situations when text is just a tad too small or when you're trying to get a grand view of your work. And there you have it, a simple, straightforward procedure to adjust the zoom level on your Mailchimp dashboard. Experiment with zooming in and out to find your preferred level that works best for your eyes and your workflow. Making these minor adjustments can make a world of difference in how you interact with Mailchimp and other online platforms. Remember, the key to a comfortable workspace is not just about physical ergonomics. Visual ergonomics plays a significant role too. By customizing the display settings like the zoom level, you're taking an important step toward creating a digital environment that suits your preferences and needs. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial helps you optimize your Mailchimp experience. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides. If you have any questions or additional tips you'd like to share, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy emailing, and see you in the next video.